Okay, we are now on the second half. These are the... It's 2-0, and you will see our national flag is moving. The whole crowd in the 200 and 300 peso seats are wet, and my voice is gone.
And the atmosphere, it's so
electrifying. Yes, we had one wave.
We can feel the love of the
Today.
Filipinos for
We had
football.
yes, we can feel it. And we have another flag here. Here, Kuya is holding the flag. Kuya Kawai. Yes, Kuya is waving.
And there's an handsome guy here.
Alright. Second half is starting in a few minutes. Yes, we have class tomorrow with Sir. With Ambassador Almendrala. And the flag is still moving. As you can see.
We have no voice left in our...
We have no voice.
Yeah. And we're all wet.
It's still ambuning.
All messed up.
Yes.
Yeah. We're going to visit presentation for IT on Tuesday.
Okay. We will report again later.
This
Later.
is 5-7 News.
Yes. Okay, bye-bye.
5-7 News.
Yes.
At your service.
There's the wave waving. There's the wave. There's the flag waving. Okay, bye-bye.